Okay, mga OFW. Ma'am Lenny, ato ang isa sa mga mag-OFW. Asang country po? Dubai, Qatar?
Singapore po.
Okay, ang November, ang dala is 11K lang. 11K challenge in Vietnam. Perfect. Okay, so mag-check-in na ang mga OFW. Ma'am Lenny, Beshi. Ay, si Ma'am Senia at ang first time kaning co-traveler. Of course, ang couple, duha antong couple karon, tora ang duha. Ug si Ma'am Jamie kapangalan sa akong sister. So, buot ang tagamay kay kapangalan sa akong sister. Si Jessie, the comeback of Jessie from my original travel buddy. Hong Kong, Singapore, saan ba 'yon? Dali apil na ka Kita nakabuok no, 11 mi kabuok guys. Mag-travel mi Sam sa Sapa. Ang trending destination in Vietnam. Yeah. For today's video is we'll be flying to Vietnam. As you can see sa ating previous videos kanina, we are a group of 21 po guys. We will be going to Vietnam, particularly in Hanoi, Sapa. Tsaka some of us will go to Da Nang and the others will go to Halong Bay. So this trip is our first leg sa ating international trip for this summer vacation. And fortunately, ang dami natin, no? And all of these people ay mga friends ko po, mga travel buddies ko po, my videos trips. At saka nag-isa na lahat sa ating Vietnam trip. Si Ma'am Lenny, ating Bali travel buddy. Si Ma'am Senya, ang ating bagong salta. At saka next, and of course, si Novem, asa ka nagkauban dahil? Ay, Taiwan pa lang, no? Boracay. Ay, Taiwan, we will not count the domestic. Sa Taiwan. And of course, Taiwan buddies din. Ang ating walang kauban pa din sila sa China, Puhom, no? Actually guys, in totally 21 packs po kami. And right now, kauban pala ito ang batch ni Sir EJ, ang ihang team. Di ba Sir EJ?
Hello, my
team
friend.
Sir EJ, 9 packs sila with Anamay, our Batanes, and Ma'am Luisa, our Batanes squad. And of course, ang mga bagong salta is si Madam Marloni. And of course, the rest of the pretty people out there. Si Ma'am 21. Ang isa pa tayo kasama na sa Manila na si Ma'am Pizel. So 21 tayo lahat. Nag-uban na yun. At tanan ako mga travel buddy sa Maldives, sa Taiwan, etc. Guys, landing in Manila. Touchdown Terminal 2. So, we have a connecting flight sa Terminal 1. So, may free shuttle bus ang PAL. Madam Principal, akong kauban karon po. Si our Batanes and what? Coron buddy.
Yeah.
Og si Sir, atong mga bagong salta. Bagong salta sa ating kulto. Anong tayo, mga hazy natin sa kanila?
Yes, pagkainin natin sila ng mga exotic food ng Vietnam.
Correct. Okay. Yan. So we have already cleared oh my God. We have already cleared the immigration. So all of us, 21 packs, is lusot po at sumakses po kami sa IO. Yung boarding gate natin guys is at boarding gate number 12. So this is our first time na makapunta sa boarding gate 12. So makses po sa life. Anong tanong? Sige, si Ma'am Senya. Anong tanong as a private entity?
Ano lang, kailan kayo uuwi?
Tapos?
Pupunta kayo sa
Okay, ganun lang, no? So, hindi siya nga naka-intimidating. So, tanggal lang anxiety.
Wala naman talaga in the first place.
Ay, char. Sometimes yung mga nababasa natin sa social media, no, pinapa-exaggerate lang. But, in the reality, pag wala naman dapat katakutan, wala talagang, hindi ka talagang mauungot sa immigration. Di ba, Te? Alaya. So, ang sasakyan natin is A330, 300. So, this is a bigger plane. Yan guys, medyo madami-dami po ang mga tao ngayon. Okay guys, we are now boarding. We are now boarding with TR595. Guys, ang ganda plane. It's an A330 300. Look at this. It's very spacious. we have arrived at Hanoi, Noi Pai International Airport. So, paglabas namin sa airport guys, walang tanong dito sa Hanoi. Perfectness, no? So, right now is 7 o'clock pa yung aming fetch ng sleeper bus going to Sapa. So, we will just be waiting here sa kanilang arrival area since it's still 3:30 a.m. So, meron pa kami mga 3 to 4 hours to kill bago kami sunduin. So, and the dawn guys, close pa yung mga stores. Pero meron na dito bilihan ng mga SIM cards. May mga open na nabilihan ng SIM cards. May sa Comedia. Then doon din sa pinag-rest namin, meron din doong bilihan ng SIM card. Ito yung ATM na available dito guys. Pinahanap ko yung Agribank kasi yun yung cheapest ng yung currency. Dito sa may guys, dito may Agribank. Dito tayo mag-withdraw sa Agribank. Dito guys may Agribank. Let us check kung magana ba siya. Konti lang yung pila sa mga dito ATM. So guys, sira yung bangko ng Agribank. So hindi ako nakapag-withdraw doon. No, instead, nag-withdraw ako sa Viet-In Bank. Yung parang kulay sky blue na 8 AM. So, unfortunately, parang hindi siya mag-withdraw ng isang amount lang. So, we need to follow the maximum amount na pwede lang doon, which is 2 million per transaction. So, I withdrawed 4 million. Ang nabawas sa akin sa GCash is around 8,800 something plus. So, story time muna tayo guys. Kanina pala sa Manila sa immigration. Yung tanong lang sa amin, pag abot ko ng passport, yung tanong lang is, government employee ba tayo? And then, sinabi ko, oo. Since marami kami kanina sa may mga nakapag-IO na ahead. So sabi niya, kasamahan ko ba sila? So sabi ko, yes. So pagka sabi ko lang yes, hinanap agad yung ATT. So after that, chinek yung ATT and then nag-stamp na siya agad sa passport. So yun lang yung kanyang tanong. Kasi if you are a government employee, you must have your travel order arranged from your school or to your division. Especially pag DepEd teacher ka, kasi requirement talaga yan siya pag travel abroad ka. So if you have that document, automatically wala nang tanong ang IO at saka kalusot ka na agad sa immigration. Yung aming sasakyan na sleeper bus ngayon guys is yung HK Open Tour bus nga it's not a sleeper bus, it's a cabin bus guys. No? Kasi may difference pala pag sleeper bus lang at saka yung cabin bus. Kasi pag sleeper bus yung kukunin mo, yun yung parang walang privacy. Then, dalawa sa isang bed na magkatabi. Unlike sa pag-cabin bus yung kinuha mo is may privacy siya. Tsaka one person lang per cabin. Yan, this is our first meal guys. This is a pho. You can buy here dito sa airport lang. Guys, ang lakas ng ulan. Diyos ko Lord, it's really raining heavily. And doon yung ating guys, doon yung ating pillar number 1, but since parang maulan doon banda, so dito kami somewhere sa pillar number 3 naghintay. So ayan yung makakasamahan natin. Si Beshi, si Ma'am Sheila, Ma'am Isay, Kit Kat, sorry. Ay, at ang sumakses sa ating passport.
Yes.
And Wakanda
Hi
forever.
everyone! Welcome to the Wakanda world. I am the leader of the band.
Yes,
So thank
the leader
you,
of
Sir
Team
RJ
AG.
and Sir Jerwin for
And
keeping the band.
si Ma'am Jessa.
Hi! Thank you.
Guys, we are now already waiting for almost an hour.
More than an hour.
Almost pa, ha?
More than.
Wala pa. Late ang ating sleeper bus. Guys, guys, naabot na ang bus na to. Very far. Wakaton. Oo. Ayan. Let's go. Ayun, HK bus line. So, wala yun. Gid bitaw kayo siya. Si Ma'am Senya. Saan na? Ma'am Senya. Wakaton, guys. Wakaton. Ayun na yung bagga-luggage, guys.
Di ba ito dugay ti kay Grace? Sige, balik-balik C7.
Ma'am Kit Kat! Okay, the shoes will be... Okay. Take off your shoes. Okay, Ma'am Sania. On to our cabin. Oh my God. Alin man? This is our sleeper bus. Nasa lower deck ako. Ayan. And then, Jessie, maliit lang talaga siya pero kasya tayo agad. Lahat, no? Oh, ito yung loob ng cabin. Meron silang outlet for USB-C and USB-A. Ay, may TV siya guys. Ayan. They have also complimentary water and parang sa ating towel. Tapos ito. Then meron din siyang massage din siya guys. Massage na bed. So pag i-press mo yun, nagmamassage siya. And they have one headset. Perfect. Just right enough for my space. Guys, my stopover after parang mga 1 hour from our departure. May stopover at saka may paprovide sila na sleepers. So yung first stop natin. We have a second stopover here. Somewhere in lapit na sa Sapa guys. 1 hour din lang for Sapa. We have arrived at the terminal bus stop of HK Bus Line Limousine VIP. So dito lang din yung ating pick up pag upauwi ng Hanoi. Ayan. Andito kami ngayon, maghihintay ng Grab. Dito kami sa Lustig, Sapa Hostel.
Malakaw ra 2 minutes na sa unahan.
Ha? Ayan guys, we are now on the taxi. Oh my gosh. Very mahirap magkuha ng taxi dito guys. Sapa. Guys, ito na yung nakuha namin na room. Sapa King Hostel. Which is very spacious and perfect. Oh. We have 2 double beds. I know it's not double bed, it's a queen bed I think. And this is the view here. And Jassy Jung is there. It's a city view. And look at the CR guys. Overlo siya, makikita siya sa loob. And thank God, may bidet. My gosh, thank God, may bidet. Ay, ang ganda. Ay, ang perfect ng room natin. Perfect ang room! Ayan, so nakapag-freshen up na tayo guys. So, we arrived here in Sapa at 2:30 PM kanina guys. Hindi ko in-expect yung daan papunta dito. Nakakahilo siya in fairness ha. So, if you are if may if may sickness ka, magdala ka na ng Bonamine ha. Kasi para hindi ka mahilo. Isa sa mga challenge dito pag arrive din sa Sapa guys is wala kami mabook na Grab. Then, kasi walang nag-accept sa aming booking. So, what happened is, nag-book kami ng taxi going here sa aming hotel, in which, medyo may kamahalan siya guys. Yung na-book namin is 150,000 na dong. Pero 4 na kami noon, hinati-hati namin para makarating kami dito sa hotel. So, we are staying here at Sapa King Hostel. Malapit lang talaga siya sa Sapa Station guys. Perfect yung location niya. Later on, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung lobby at saka yung facade ng hotel. Guys, this is the hotel that we got. The name is Hong Vong Hotel, or in English it is called Sapa King Hotel. Malapit lang siya guys. Diyan lang banda is the Sapa Station. Papunta ng Fancy Pan. Perfect. This is the lobby guys. Konti lang siya. Ayan. Very small lang ang lobby nila. Then they have elevators. We booked this hotel guys in Agoda. Parang nasa yata kami nito. Nasa 1,800 for 2 nights per head. But as you can see, may siya. Maganda naman yung room. At saka meron silang free breakfast. So our itinerary for this afternoon is we will be going to the Glass Bridge in Sapa. Then meron tayong car na nakuha from the hotel. Wow! Street food daling! Oh my God! Guys, near sa aming hotel may mga street foods. Ayun na yung Sapa Station. Ito yung labas ng fasad ng aming hotel. And ito na guys, parang nasa center kami ng Sapa. Oh my gosh! Novembers! Ito yung parang plaza nila guys.
sa kanilang seat.
Ayun na ang car. Currently guys, ang malamig dito, nasa around 16 degrees Celsius. So parang ang lamig guys, kasing lamig ng Baguio during December. Na yung car natin, na maghahatid sa Glass Bridge. Yeah. Na-book namin to for 1.2 million. So 150,000 per head. Yung gaming natin is Glass Bridge guys. Yun na natin first stop sa itinerary. So wala nang pahingahan. Proceed na agad sa Glass Bridge. Ready na bang lahat?
Okay, we're ready.
Okay, so 8 packs lang yung nagtuloy. So may 4 na nagpahinga na lang muna kasi kabuhi. Ang daming tao ngayon sa Sapa guys because today is holiday sa Vietnam. Dito na kami guys. So yan yan nakikita niyo sa ibabaw. Aakyat pa kami diyan. Oh my gosh. This is the Glass Bridge of Sapa. Dito na kami ngayon guys sa sa Glass Bridge. And then we will be riding this elevator. Oh my gosh. Guys, ayan na yung view. Oh my gosh. Should I check sa elevator?
You saved me today.
So dito tayo sa may puti na car. Diyan na yung kasi ihahatid pa tayo sa pinakaitaas. So meron silang car na nagpe-fetch from the elevator sa ticket entrance going to the upstairs of the elevator. Oh my gosh, we're now going. Oh my god.
Anong level ang tili natin dun? Tili na mainit dun.
Ayan na guys. Diyan tayo sasakay ng elevator going to the Glass Bridge. Oh my gosh. The entrance of the elevator. Oh my gosh, they're elevating. Yung entrance sa Glass Bridge guys is 500,000 dong. That will cost you 1,000 pesos. Tapos yung sa shuttle service is 150,000. So 650,000 dong lahat. I hope na maging worth it siya. Start tayo na. Wow! Oh my gosh! Wow! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Ay, bala kadagag tao, Jin Jesus Maria. Hala. Na guys. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Novem! Oh my god, I know! Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my gosh. Novem! Novem! Muna ba naguyog-uyog? Bayot! Muna naguyog-uyog. Diyos ko Lord, ayan na guys, yung ating Glass Bridge experience. Shit. May isa pa ditong Glass Bridge guys. Ayan. Currently, it's already 6:10 p.m. and it's freaking cold. Malamig talaga siya guys. Hindi biro ang lamig sa Sapa. Ayan. Look at the bridge. This is also in preparation for our next trip this month, last week of May. Sa ibang country na naman. Ayan. Oh my god guys, so it's already 7 p.m. So we'll now head back to the Sapa town center. Kasi masyado nang malamig. Daming tao guys, Nakatan. Kapila yan sa lahat papunta ng labas. So daming tao. Oh my god, so we're back in Sapa town guys. Merong parang program here. Ayun pala guys, kaya pala may program dito is because today, April 30 is the anniversary of Vietnam. Yeah. Tapos, kaya everywhere, any parts of the Vietnam may mga events sila guys. Oh my gosh, it's so very lively. Apple! Yan na guys, yung Sapa Station. Dito tayo bukas para sa ating Fancy Fun World. Tapos, may ni-recommend sa ito na college. May na-recommend si Apple na.
That's already.
Yeah. I will go. Yeah. Okay, go. Ito guys, ni-recommend ni Apple. College Restaurant. May mga bibikwe. Ayan, dito na nakakain na sila Apple dito guys. So, kakain din tayo dito kasi it's dinner time. Ayan. It's bibikwe. Oh my gosh.
Sila po na rin.
Wala na, naglakaw na. Wow.
One barbecue hot pot.
Oh my God. How much?
Amara. 20.
Guys, yung area pala is a hot pot area. Ito hot pot naman. At the same time, may barbecue sila sa labas. Tradition talaga ito ng Vietnamese pagkakain ka. Ang dami mga gulay. Tapos na kami kumain guys. Kaya rin best lang ang food. So right now is babalik na yata kami ng hotel kasi we will have to take a rest for a while first kasi bukas may mga activities na naman tayo, full pack na naman tayo bukas saka wala pa tayo tulog so we need to recover our everything. So I think that's all for this vlog. Okay. Asa na? See you again tomorrow.